You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell.
Guys, so I'm in Abuja. I just got into Abuja this morning, well, the morning that I'm vlogging, and Stephen came to pick me up as usual. Stephen, say hi.
Hi.
Stephen came to pick me up as usual, and I'm heading to my sister's house now. Fun fact, Nneka doesn't know that I'm here. I'm actually going to surprise her. So she thinks I'm coming tomorrow. I decided to come a day earlier just so I can surprise her. Hopefully I'm able to pull it off because she has cameras. She might see me when I'm coming in. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'll show you guys. I'm here. I'm not staying too long in Abuja, but I'm happy to be here. I'll carry you guys along as usual. Luckily, I met a friend on the plane. Like, we literally sat together. So, like, I talked the whole flight. We gisted the whole flight. My husband, immediately my husband called me after I landed. He was like, did you meet somebody you know at the airport? Because it's unlike you not to call me to say that you're about to take off. I'm like, yes, how do you know? I met someone I know and we just talked all through. And yeah, the flight was smooth. I used eBomb Air. I really don't use them that often, but you know, I always like it whenever I use them, always on time. Anyways, I'm in Abuja and I can't wait to surprise my sister.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Where is baby's go?
Hey, good morning.
Oh, my baby. Good morning, my baby. Baby, your hair is so beautiful. Now finish your lesson. I'll take you out, okay? Finish your lesson. Go and buy your birthday present, okay? Good girl. I told you guys I was coming to surprise my sister, but she saw me from the camera. She just came out. Nelo is in this house. Nelo is in this house. Where is Nelo? Nelo is. I can even smell Nelo because I was trying to hide in front of her room, but she was like, I can smell Nelo. Nelo is in this house. Anyways, look who we have here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And you guys will also have OG space here. Can they see you very well?
Yes, can see me very
Come
well.
on, show them. Fine, babe.
That is still peeling.
Yes. She did microblading.
Still peeling.
You guys,
Hi, guys.
hi. You're going to see how we're going to get to where we're going. She's also a YouTuber. I'm going to put her handle on the screen. You guys go and check her out. Link will be in my description. You guys, you already know, okay? Your baby's in Abuja. And Nneka, no, I'm just about to say that Nneka was like, Nelo, I can't let you spend a minute in this Abuja without me being there with you to spend a minute with you. So I want to drive you to everywhere you want to go, not just stay in Abuja. I'm like, oh, that's so cute. So right now, I'm going to stock up on my skincare from one of my most trusted skincare people in the whole of Nigeria. See, the thing about skincare is I have some people that I buy skincare from, but I always have that fear at the back of my head, like, are these things really the original? Because a lot of people mix with China now. See, a lot of things in Nigeria are actually fake. So if I help, there was food somewhere. So I discovered Tuli body care. I actually discovered them when my friend posted them like sometime last year, and I've ordered from them now twice. And to be honest, best in everything. Customer service, products, like amazing. They're based in Abuja. So I'm like, see, I came into Abuja today. I just need to go and stock up on my skincare. So I'm heading there now. I can't show you guys around the store. I hope they don't say, oh no, we don't use camera. Nigeria.
No.
I'm sure they will say that, Sha. So I'm going to show you guys around the store in case you want to talk about your skincare needs. And another thing is that I'm usually one of those people that would just rather buy abroad, but at the end of the day, the prices that you get from Tulip Body Care, trust me, it's the most competitive price you'll find in the market. A lot of people are stealing when it comes to skincare. I don't know why people are greedy. But that being said, follow me to go and shop for my skincare with Neki Baby and Neka is adding her face by force. Can you remove your face from my vlog, please?
Excuse me, please.
Remove your face from
Nelo,
my vlog.
excuse me, please. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Oh yeah,
Hi, guys. Welcome back to actually to my peeling brows. No, Jesus. My brows gave me cancer.
Anyways, that's that. I can't wait to show you guys what I get up to in Abuja. I'm not getting up to anything. Nobody knows I'm here. I didn't tell people I'm here. Like, it's a very short trip. Like, I'm not getting up to anything, but you guys will see whatever I get up to. Okay, bye. You guys, this shop is so packed and a little bit overwhelmed. Like, they have everything. You know, when you're ordering online, when you're shopping on Instagram, you don't know how packed the store actually is. This store is packed. Like, I don't think there's anything you're looking for you will not find here. Trust me. Finally, yeah, nice to meet you. You guys, I don't come out wig. Abuja sun is hot. Jesus, Abuja sun is hot. I just finished shopping. I'm going to tell you guys all about my shopping experience later. I just wanted to tell you guys that Abuja sun is hot. Good afternoon. How far now?
Fine. When did you come?
Today.
Today? Yeah. Okay, I left early in the morning.
Today, this morning.
I went to Gorimpa.
Okay, I came to today.
How is the kids?
They are fine.
Mommy
is fine. Oh, she's American. Now. She's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Steven, are you ready? I am. You guys, Abuja sun is not your mate. Like, I am so hot. So tired. Abuja sun is not your mate. I just finished shopping for my skincare body care products. I showed you guys some things that I got. Like, I actually want to just remove my wig because what's this life? Is this what you guys go through? Anyways, you guys should check out Tulip Body Care. I'm going to put their Instagram. I believe they have 2 locations in Abuja, in Lokogoma and Wuse too. I'll probably put the locations below so you guys can check them out. They have everything you need, all your needs when it comes to skincare, body care, hair care, like beauty, whatever it is, you're going to find it there. So check them out. I'm heading on out to run more errands. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Whoa! Oh my God.
Use your two hands.
Baby. Whoa. I can't wait to show Adana this video and tell Adana that baby can mop. Wow. I'm so proud of you, Bibi. Bibi, look at me. You're the best. I'm so proud of you, okay? Neka, Bibi is so good at this. Wow. They don't need 1 million. They take people 1 million.
Can you stop taking water, okay? You know already has water.
Please, somebody needs to squeeze it.
No. The bucket.
Good job, Bibi.
Bring it down.
Amazing.
Hold it down.
Amazing. Bibi is almost done with her section.
The next day.
Hi, sweetheart. Where are we going?
Shopping.
We're going shopping. What are you going to buy?
I'm going to buy.
You don't know yet?
Yes.
When you see what they have in the shop, you will decide.
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to buy anything for Bibi and Chidima, for CJ and Chidima?
Yes.
What will you buy for CJ?
I will buy a car for him.
And what will you buy for Dim?
I will buy a doll for her.
Okay. You're such a good sister, okay? Bibi and I are going shopping. Bibi's birthday was like 2 weeks ago, thereabouts. And I told her that when Auntie Nelo comes to Abuja, of course Auntie Nelo is taking her shopping, and Auntie Nelo is here now, so we're going shopping. I'm going to buy her birthday present. I sent a small present for her when I came, when it was her birthday, more like I sent it from PH to Abuja. But as a godmother, that's not enough, so we're out to buy something else for Bibi.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some.
What did you say?
The same thing.
What did you say?
Don't you want to pick you for Adana?
I should pick it for Adana.
Yes.
Okay.
There's remaining one left.
I'll pick it for Adana. Is remaining one? One gift for Adana.
There's remaining.
Okay, it's remaining one of this.
Yes.
Okay. This doll looks like a witch. Never ever. So we have Kaito, Kobe, Mandy, TJ, BB, CJ, slime for everybody. Not for Chidima.
Where is Chidima?
Chidima. Does Chidima like Play-Doh?
Yes.
Chidima, baby, stop it to fall. Chidima. How much? This is the price on it now. This is his dream car. Yeah, someone will love this. Kobe will love this. Yeah. This is Kobe's dream car. The doors can open, the boots can open. And see the boots can open. Wait. So basically, this is Kobe's dream car. Like the doors can open, the boots can open. See the one I chose for him. Baby, shift my love. I chose this one for him. This dark green one. This one, right? Way more affordable, of course. You guys should look at the price of this. I'm crying inside. Let me call his favorite aunties. Let's see if his favorite aunties will pay. Are you tired? Let's go. Come on, let's go and pay. Come on, sorry, baby.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh. I wanna be the life of the party.
you guys, this is me packing to go tomorrow morning. Like, I literally spent 2 days in Abuja. This is the shortest I've ever spent in Abuja. But anyways, this is me packing to go, and my sister has sorted clothes, and I'm about to pack. I came to Abuja with one hand luggage, one very small bag. You guys saw in this video. So I had to send Steven out this evening to buy this massive Ghana must go, because I have some toys that I bought for the kids. I've given Nneka's kids their own. These ones are for my kids. So I have to pack them here and also pack all these clothes. I bought this earlier. I bought it for Chidima, and I realized that Adana will love it. So I had to send Steven to go out this evening and buy it as well from For You Supermarket. So yeah, these are all the clothes I just acquired that I'm going home with. It's very, very sweet to have big sisters to give you things. So if you see me in the airport tomorrow, this Ghana must go, this big, massive Ghana must go, please just mind your business. Oh my God.